In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to manage your chart of accounts effectively. QuickBooks is an essential tool for many businesses, allowing for seamless financial management. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned accountant, understanding how to efficiently use QuickBooks can significantly streamline your workflow. Today, our focus will be on one fundamental task that can help keep your accounts organized, which is making an account inactive. To get started, you'll first need to go to QuickBooks, so open your preferred web browser and navigate to QuickBooks website by entering the URL or by simply searching for QuickBooks on Google. Log into your account with your credentials and you'll land on the main dashboard. Here you can see various options and tools available at your disposal. QuickBooks' user-friendly interface is designed to give you easy access to all your accounting needs in one convenient location. Now let's move to the Accounting section. You'll find this in the sidebar menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down list of options. From this drop-down, you'll want to click on Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a complete listing of every account in your accounting system, giving you both a bird's-eye view and detailed perspective of all the accounts you're managing. In here, you'll find categories like assets, liabilities, income, and expenses, each containing different accounts related to your business operations. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, you'll be able to see a list of all your existing accounts. Take a moment to browse through these accounts to find the specific one you need to update. This interface allows you to efficiently manage your accounts, so you can ensure everything aligns with your current financial strategies. After you've identified the account you want to make inactive, look to the right-hand side of this account's line. You'll see a drop-down arrow next to the View Register button. Click on this drop-down menu and several options will appear. Here, you'll want to click on Make Inactive. This action doesn't delete the account outright. Instead, it archives it, which is useful for accounts you no longer use but might want to retain for future reference or audit purposes. Once you've completed these steps, your selected account will become inactive. And there you have it, a simple yet crucial process that can help you better manage your chart of accounts within QuickBooks. This function helps maintain a cleaner and more navigable accounting system, tailoring your interface to focus primarily on active accounts. So that's it for today's guide. Remember, keeping your chart of accounts tidy is an ongoing task that can save you considerable time and effort in the long run. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.